a bit odd, aren't they?
The new Corolla Cross GR Sport, filled with thrills.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. A Loftus Stadium, what a beautiful pitch. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Maramo Gallants 0. Umdlalo Betway Premiership, match day number 3. Remember, Lomdlalo supposed it was an opening game, Mamelodi Sundowns, but due to Sundowns, they were still busy with the preseason. This game had to be postponed to this week. Otherwise, if we would have had this whole week with no games, Junior. Can you believe it? Besa over the weekend, we MTN8, but luckily, Lomdlalo postponed. That is why we have a game namhlanje. It's not game ngomso, sabane games MTN8 over the weekend. So when it's been a Betway Premiership a week after MTN8. But Junior, masingene Loftus mfowethu. Besibukela iSundowns neMaramo Gallants. Manje ukubuza impilo right God?
Yeah, shame my brother kunjani mfethu. Yeah, ngishaya iflu man.
Ndakuzwa.
Yeah, iflu yangikhawatha but I know.
Speed recovery.
Akuna problem from ngiyabonga. Bulisu Justice. Nkululeko my brother, ngibulise Bobzin, Benedict Vilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Mfethu, wonderful display from Mamelodi Sundowns. Game namhlanje leta lona makhulu.
Yeah.
I think they won it. They wanted this game. They were so professional in everything they do. Yabo game namhlanje. Sundowns they started slow this season, honestly speaking. I think they deserve a draw against Kaizer Chiefs. Not convincing how they won against TX Galaxy 2-1, 3-2. We talk about the team that they are continental champions here. Kuna my expectations, they need to know. Today, Senkulmange build up. Sometimes you don't have to give 5 touches at the back in order for good to be a opponent. Sundowns build up here about 3 touch, 2 touch. Sometimes it's Malbonga Koza in the midfield, they 10. Alende. I think it deserves man of the match. Sundowns in today, the Babadalanga my pocket.
Yeah.
I think the Masters are my pocket. But as I'm saying, man, Undlovu is supposed to start the game for me. Undlovu is supposed to start the game. Bengamela mabambisa abafana banje njengabo mapena litlako. They need individual brilliance. First half, I think they lack width. You understand? I understand Sundowns are battling a width. It's more of a system team. Badlala ngama pocket, they master pocket, but they need to vary the game yabo. Manga check Maramo Gallants coming to this game. Badlaling a false 9, similar like Kaizer Chiefs how they approach the game. Pekka in the midfield, Slalanga 3, maybe 4, 5, I can say, because we are dropping in the round.
Yeah.
We understand Ukekana is this guy Edgar Manaka. You understand kube indaba yethethe enhlodlo umabuza nangene phakathi uyanderstand otladisa naye angene phakathi when they got the ball bebafuna ukudlala nge-counter attack. When I come into this game it was we're going to catch Sundowns nge-counter attack and bebanganankinga nokuthi we don't have a striker. Mawungabheka always they wanted to otladisa. The side like left not much functional as a team in yabo. Otladisa uye bebaphuma ngabo but Nagaya nae, who is going to cross to? Ngoba ngimbona umjito ufuna cross amakaya wide. It's pointless for me. Angazi instruction engine from the coach. They never had Sundowns beba squeezer. Press them up front there. Bebanga allow Sundowns bayazi ukuthi imarumo mayidlane Sundowns they want to it is this baneless tendency ukuthi asihlaleni. Now Sundowns beba presser make it very difficult. Bayenza ama mistake amaningi. Sundowns I think much better. Going forward, too many forward passes.
But Naibarumo came back a different team in the second half because in the first half, I find is second half up until the point where Sundowns scored a goal. Then you could see good to Nabo. Players Marumo I think now it's done. When Sundowns scored the second one, but otherwise we won. They were pushing, even though we bring the numbers needs up front, but they were pushing. They were a totally different team to the team in the first half.
Yeah, not per se second half. Even Sundowns they played 30 minutes. Getting a goal, 30 minutes they played after dropping. I don't understand why. The mindset of players, game management. I think midfielder was circulating the ball, near breaker, near pauser. And then I don't mind going start the ball like the back man is tied up. But man break why waiting for opposition? In Bamela regroup. After getting the goal in 30 minutes, Sundowns I think a bit slow again. And then now allowing Marumo coming to the game, confident by Bildega. Now we are dropping from Bonina babakore ubuyile wadropa wenza la middle walanda la from middle shooting from far. Now almost Marumo Collins got the goal njengoba ngisho Sundowns after now backpedaling basuse nje inyawo ku-accelerate icishe yakora nge-set piece. Sundowns banejavi nama-set piece, you understand, ngoba kunelinye ibhola aliseyivile eronweni la ku-first pool. Angazi why badefenda ngaleya ndlela. I don't understand, everybody's pushed and there's a straight line there. Angi-understand ukuthi bebayenzelani leya nto leya ukungakhulumi. Second half Masapa enze ucoach Ndlovu mfethu.
Yeah.
I mean Shane mfethu. Mina ngihlale mina anyway I don't care ubani uthini mfethu. Mina
You're impressed with the
ama-winger bengiwabukela before.
Yeah.
Webhethu Premiership. Kusese Castle Premiership. So
Guess can't say.
pure no mina ngicela ungangifaki. Natural talent. He knows ukuthi he can be a team player, he can be individual as well.
Yeah.
Expressing himself. But he understands
What
good.
impresses
I'm
you the
working.
most about Ndlovu?
If I rate his game, akusumuntu ozothatha abantu every time. He play 1-2 eternity defense. Bheka le Sundowns ungene created 2 goals. Umshishi bekumela kore. He created le goal la kaMailula. He came second half, the whole dimension of game changile. Last week playing against Kaizer Chiefs, he's the one who made Sundowns a core. Very offensive player. You need a dynamic, skillful winger. Like njoba ngisho thina as South Africa, we similar like Brazilians. Such players, they are so expensive in Brazil. Ama-player njengala mfethu emphasize.
Which Brazilians? The ones from South America or the ones from Pretoria?
No,
Which
I'm talking about the one from South
Or
America.
the original
Yeah,
Brazilians?
Neymar, Vinicius Junior, Rodrigo. The list goes on. So the festival. Umchita, I was very impressed. Yabona mina ngimshayile izandla le winger le. I mean, it's showing we don't often see such players. Umapene nje ku Sundowns, they don't give. I believe he's a similar type of player. Abamniki chance ku Sundowns, but this boy today, yo mfethu ungene ku
You mean
Sundowns.
Mapena, the one who's on loan?
Yeah,
Contracts?
ngitsho
Oh,
ukuthi
yeah.
ukuthi abamnikanga chance.
Oh, okay, okay.
This one, Diamond Leshini. Le is a player to watch now. Well done to Sundowns. I think Mailula as well, quality player. Can shoot my point feet.
Yeah,
He's
I
got
was going to Lendaba Yake, Mailula is scoring for Mamelodi Sundowns. Remember, he scored MTN 8 against Polokwane City, scored over the weekend against Chiefs, the equalizing goal, scored Mhlanje, the second goal against Marumo Gallants. He's a natural goal scorer, umfana. I mean, space in just none. Itoke yakho ibeka nje ebholeni ngumnathi.
class is permanent. Uhambe la Kora. When he came back, angeka tushiya amaboots e-Europe or wherever Africa. He continue. I mean, lo mfana ukore ku-TTC, he was promoted.
You think this is where he's most comfortable?
Yeah,
playing
he
in
can
the
score
Premier?
goals. I mean, it's Sundowns still thing is short between them and Orlando Pirates. Pirates, they need a goal pouch.
No, but I mean, Umailula, do you think Uguti, this is where he feels more comfortable with the Premiership because he scores goals? Remember, he went to USA.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, but do you think Uguti, Maidala Kaya, he feels more comfortable? Uguti, okay, Sekaya, I'm around the family, I'm more comfortable.
Depending on your philosophy, does the coach believe, like the coach believes in you, surrounding of players, can they supply you? And not umfishan, you understand? I don't know what happened, la
Yeah.
uyakhona. Angazi, I can't lie, but at home, I think umfana nami, ngiyazi ukuthi uyile away,
Yeah.
outside the country. But now, like South Africa, ngiyambona afika njengoba usho 3 games 3 goals. Tells you ukuthi comfortable. Top class player le. And now I think at home uzitholile icathulo zakhe. So ngicela aqhubeke mfethu umfana lapha ku Sundowns. So Sundowns I think a comfortable win. Also the game management, Mshishi came to the party as well. Experienced player, a very top class player as well. Udlalile Mshishi ingqondo yakhe. Mshishi akusiplay ne speed. Age obviously yambile but you can tell into ngithandile you know Mshishi labafana laba if they surround him, they respect him. Mangabheka Sundowns, when you talk about the identity, if it's then Alende, is Sundowns identity uyayibona. The way they play today, fluid. Makangena Mshishi and wonderful display from Sundowns. Mshishi ngicela special ezandla, well done to them.
Thank you so much, Junior. That's Junior Kanye. Esibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo wePetro Premiership match day number 3 where Mamelodi Sundowns up against the Marumo Gallants at Loftus Stadium. Lapho ke Sundowns isatele khona ke with 3 points. Sundowns now are unbeaten in their last 3 games zeBetway Premiership. Umdlalo wabo wesithathu lo beqale against TS Galaxy eMbombela, by FNB against Kaizer Chiefs. Now they are back home playing against Marimo Gallants. First game at home rather, Mandicho, and a good turnout from Bafana Style. But yeah, Loftus Stadium is Sundowns 2, Marimo Gallants 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.